guys, this one here is a single cap 10K gold tooth we just had done for a customer. You got your stamp right there in the back. You can choose any tooth position that you want on your top or the bottom teeth. That's up to you. Okay, now this one here is handmade out of real solid gold, guys, and it's made to fit perfectly. Beautiful single cap. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. Quality, handmade, precision work. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.